Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple trick on how to wash bitter leaf and keep the leaves full without tearing them apart. If your bitter leaf always scatters when washing, this method will change your game. Let's get started and I will be showing you step by step and explain every step to you. Firstly, I have to stand my pot of water on the fire. Here is my water already stand on the fire. I have to allow it to boil. So after that, I have to pour the water inside the bitter leaf. So here are my leaves already trimmed. The water is ready. You have to pour it inside the bath or inside the bowl where the bitter leaf is. And I have to put back another water inside the pot and allow it to boil. While waiting for the other water to boil, I have to be working with this bitter leaf. So I have to dip it inside the water, inside the hot water. I have to dip the bitter leaf. I have to make sure the leaves are deep inside the water. So here it is, and the leaves are all weakened. You see. So I have to set it like this, stir it like this until I change the water. You can see it for yourself that the bitter leaf, like the leaf is already weakened. It will be difficult for the bitter leaf to tear apart from this level, at this level like this. So I have to change it, remove from the first water from the water and dip inside cold water. The reason I'm dipping inside cold water is to maintain the color. Let it remain green. The color of the bitter leaf should not change. Like some people, they will put limestone or they will put bicarbonate. No, this is the secret. Immediately remove from the hot water, just dip it inside cold water to maintain the color. So you can see it. Wow, you see the leaf? So you see, I will wash it like this till the end. You see that the leaf still remain the same, like it did not tear apart, nothing. Just keep watching. And with this type of bitter leaf, we cook like porridge, like in my tribe. So you can see it here. I have to dip it back inside the hot water, the one that I've just boiled. I have to dip it inside for a while, and it has to bubble before I take it up from there. Yeah, I have to make sure I dip all the leaves inside the water. Beautiful people, if you find this video interesting, please kindly help me and like it, share, subscribe, and you leave a beautiful comment. So I have to finalize. I have to remove all the bitter leaf. You can see they are not particles like that, not smaller particles, they are not breakage from the bitter leaf. You see all the leaves are full. The end will shock you. So here we go, and we're soon rounding up. It will not be long from here. So here it is. I have to remove it now, and this is the last round. I'm not going to put any water on the fire again. I just turned off my gas. So I'm going to take it out from the hot water and dip inside the cold water. There's my cold water. I have to remove it, and you have to be careful. Yeah, so I have to take it out from the hot water and dip inside cold water. Yeah, there are a lot of people who eat this. They eat the food which they prepare with this bitter leaf, but they don't know how to go about. They don't know how to wash it. Yeah, there's so many. So here is the technique. Yeah, so like I said earlier, you have to boil your water. You have to dip all the bitter leaf inside. When you remove it, make sure you dip inside another water which is cold to maintain the color, like to maintain this green color that you are seeing. So here is the final stage of it. From here, everything will be just okay. Yeah, I have to transfer it again to the other bath, because in this water like this, at this moment the water is hot. I cannot dip my hands inside. So I have to put inside another bowl, add another cold water there before I wash it. Like now that I'm washing it, it's not more hot, it's hot, like just warm, it's not hot. So here is the final stage. Just like this, everything is okay. The bitter leaf is already sweet. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. You can see it for yourself. Here are the leaves. Here is the final stage. All the leaves are until like they are not apart. Thank you. Ciao.